The next concept of application of derivatives that we are going to learn is increasing and decreasing functions. Now, if y is equals to f of x is a function, we can always find dy by dx, that is f dash of x. If a is a given value, and if I put a into this function f dash of a, I find out if f dash of a is greater than 0, then f of x is increasing at x is equals to a. And if f dash of x is less than 0, then f of x is decreasing at x is equals to a. Every function may not be always increasing or decreasing. I mean, may not be either increasing or decreasing. Sometimes the functions are also constant. Okay, but if f dash of a is greater than 0, then the function is increasing at x is equals to a. Otherwise, it is decreasing at x is equals to a. So if they give you an function, and if they ask you whether the function, whether it increases or decreases, then we'll first find out f of x, f dash of x, and then at the given value, we can check it. For example, if y is equals to 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is given, and they want to find out at x is equals to 4, whether the function is increasing or decreasing. So I'll find out f dash of x or dy by dx. That is 4x plus 3. Now, if I find f dash of 4, so 4 into 4 plus 3, 16 plus 3, it is 19. Now, if this f dash of 4 is greater than 0, so function is increasing at x is equals to 4. अगर मैंने कोई और नंबर लिया होता, for example at x is equals to -3, तो y will be 2 into -3 square plus 3 into -3. Sorry. And we'll check out the value at of f dash of -3, that is 4 into -3 plus 3. -12 plus 3, answer is -9. F dash of 3, -3 is less than 0, and therefore function is decreasing at x is equals to -3. It is not compulsory that क्योंकि ये प्लस है इसलिए वो इंक्रीजिंग आ गया और ये माइनस इसलिए डिक्रीजिंग, ये कुछ भी आ सकता है. This is just an example. See, so we now know what is increasing and decreasing function. Sometimes they might tell you that a given function is increasing. So we'll have to find out at what value is it increasing. So say suppose the function is so x square x cube plus 12x square plus 36x plus 6. This is a function and they say that it is increasing. And we have to find x. So we'll find out f dash of x. That is 3x square plus 24x plus 36. Okay. Now a function is increasing if this is greater than 0, then the function is increasing. So obviously 3x square plus 24x plus 36 should be greater than 0, then only the function will be increasing. I'll divide throughout by 3. I'll get x square plus 8x plus 12 should be greater than 0. Now, this is x plus 6 and x plus 2 should be greater than 0. So x plus 6 should be greater than 0. That is x should be greater than minus 6, or x plus 2 should be greater than 0. That is x should be greater than minus 2. So at these values, the function will be increasing. And this is how we can solve the sum. So let us take 4.2 exercise. It's all about such type of sums based on the concept of increasing and decreasing.
मॅम मागचं पेज दाखवा ना.
Okay. Exercise 4.2, sum number 1. They're saying test whether the following functions are increasing or decreasing. The functions are f of x, first function is x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 16, where x belongs to real number set. I'll first find out f dash of x. That is 3x square minus 12x plus 12. I'll take 3 common. X square minus 4x plus 4. 3. X minus 2 whole bracket square is f dash of x. Now they have not given me any value a, b to test f dash of a. Okay. Now how should I find out whether it is increasing or decreasing? Now see, 3 is obviously greater than 0. And x minus 2 whole bracket square, as x is a real number, x is real number. So real number minus 2 will be a real number. Square of real number is going to be positive. As x is real number, x minus 2 bracket square will always be positive. So big, now 3 is also, now 3 into, therefore 3 into x minus 2 whole bracket square will be greater than 0 always for all values of x, and therefore the function is increasing. यहाँ पे सिर्फ कंडीशन ये है कि x should not be equal to 2. So the function is increasing for all the values of x except f of x is increasing for all values of x such that x is not equal to 2. Now let us take second example. It is f of x, x minus 1 by x, where x belongs to real number and x is not equal to 0. Now f dash of x is 1 plus 1 upon x square. X square, now see, 1 is obviously greater than 0. Now 1 upon x square is always greater than 0 because x is a real number. So it will always be greater than 0. कि रियल नंबर का स्क्वायर चाहे वो पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, स्क्वायर तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है, तो ग्रेटर देन 0 ही होगा. तो अगर ये दोनों टर्म ग्रेटर देन 0 है तो ऑब्वियसली 1 + 1/x² भी ग्रेटर देन 0 ही होगा. एंड देयरफॉर f of x is greater than 0. Sorry, f dash of x is greater than 0 for x not belonging to, sorry, x is not equal to 0 and x belongs to real number, and thus it is an increasing function. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा ये इंक्रीजिंग हो. अगर f dash of x की वैल्यू कहीं निगेटिव ही आती है तो वो डिक्रीजिंग भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, third sum, f of x is 7/x minus 3, where x belongs to real number and x is not equal to 0. F dash of x is -7/x², and -3, there is nothing like, no, this is not there. Now this is your f dash of x. Now x² is always greater than 0 because it's a real number. तो x² का ये तो 0 रहेगा, greater than 0 रहेगा. But f dash of x is -7 upon the number greater than 0. So this is less than 0. क्योंकि x² हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा तो डिनोमिनेटर हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा और न्यूमरेटर तो निगेटिव है, तो ये हमेशा ही निगेटिव रहेगा. तो f dash of x हमेशा निगेटिव रहेगा, and therefore f dash of x is decreasing function. For all x belonging to real number and x is not equal to 0. अगर हमको ये पता होता कि ये कंपल्सरीली इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शंस ही है तो हम लोग एक ही कंडीशन लेते, ग्रेटर देन 0 वाली. लेकिन ये इंक्रीजिंग भी हो सकता है, डिक्रीजिंग भी हो सकता है, तो इसलिए हम लोगों को ये चेक करना पड़ता है. दिस इज ऑल योर कंसेप्ट ऑफ नंबर्स, रियल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, उन सबको इधर आपको यूज करना है. Question number 2. Find the values of x such that f of x is increasing function. And f of x is 2x cube minus 15x² plus 36x plus 1. Now we'll first find out f dash of x. हमको दिखाना है कि ये increasing function है. Function is increasing if f dash of x is greater than 0, then function is increasing. F dash of x is 6x² minus 30x plus 36. Now it will be an increasing function. They are saying that you already know that it is an increasing function. So if it is an increasing function, then 6x² minus 30x plus 36 is greater than 0. 6 into x² minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. So 6 into x minus 3, x minus 2. Now if this is increasing, this should be greater than 0. Now if this is increasing, either See, if AB is greater than 0, then either A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0, or A is less than 0 and B is less than 0. तो अगर दोनों पॉजिटिव होंगे तो वो ए बी पॉजिटिव होगा, और अगर दोनों निगेटिव होंगे तो ए बी निगेटिव होगा. तो यहाँ पे 6 को तो छोड़ो, ये तो हमेशा ही ग्रेटर देन होगा. तो यहाँ पे x माइनस 3 x माइनस 2, एक तो दोनों ग्रेटर देन 0 होने चाहिए, या फिर x माइनस 3 x माइनस 2, ये दोनों लेस देन 0 होने चाहिए. तो क्योंकि अगर ये दोनों प्लस प्लस होंगे तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा, ग्रेटर देन 0. या माइनस माइनस होंगे तो आंसर पॉजिटिव होगा, ग्रेटर देन 0. So x minus 3 should be greater than 0. So x should be greater than 3. And x minus 2 should be greater than 0. Then x should be greater than 2. Okay, this is one side only. Now this. So here x minus 3 should be less than 0. So x should be less than 3. Or, and x minus 2 should be less than 0. So x should be less than 2. Now obviously you can see here. X is greater than 3, x is greater than 2. तो यहाँ पे कॉमन क्या है? x is greater than 3. x is less than 3, x is less than 2. यहाँ पे कॉमन क्या है? x is less than 2. तो x, so f dash of f of x is increasing either when x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3. मतलब अगर x, देखो यहाँ पे कॉमन क्या आ रहा है? x should be greater than 3. यहाँ पे कॉमन क्या आ रहा है? x should be less than 2. यहाँ पे आ रहा है x 3 से बड़ा होना चाहिए, x 2 से बड़ा होना चाहिए. तो दोनों में कॉमन है x 3 से बड़ा है. यहाँ पे आ रहा है x 3 से छोटा होना चाहिए, x 2 से छोटा होना चाहिए. तो दोनों में x 2 से छोटा ये कॉमन है. तो f dash of x, ये f of x, सॉरी, ये इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन होगा only if x is less than 2 or x is greater than 3. Only in that case it will be increasing. ऐसे ही हमको ये सम सॉल्व करने हैं. तो नेक्स्ट सम है f dash of x is x square plus 2x minus pi. F of x. So f dash of x is 2x plus 2. Now if it is increasing, then f dash of x should be greater than 0. So 2x plus 2 should be greater than 0. So 2x should be greater than minus 2. X should be greater than minus 1. So f of x is an increasing function for all x greater than minus 1. Or you can also write it that x is greater than minus 1 means what? X is lying between minus 1 and infinity. We can also write it like this. But it's not compulsory. आपको जहां तक समझ में आता है आप लिख सकते हो. और I'll say that is. क्योंकि x अगर -1 से बड़ा है मतलब क्या? x -1 और इंफिनिटी के बीच में है.